Okay guys, so finally that is my bike and I'm so happy and so glad that I got this color. I'm in love with it. Now we're done with the delivery, we'll take the bike and roll out. Okay guys, I just cranked up the engine and I'm taking the delivery of the bike from the Triumph showroom. Let's go. Oh yes, you can see the excitement. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello, hope everyone is doing great. From my expression, you people have already guessed it. Did you guess it? No? Yes, we're gonna go get my new bike, dude. Finally. In my previous vlog, I told you guys that loan is pending, all that is happening, bank is still chal raha. But finally, at the same time, when I was doing that vlog, I got a message from the dealership saying loan is processed successfully. They got the amount and all that reflected in their account, which is like great news. I was like, dude, I'm starting right now. Actually, right now, time is exactly 5 o'clock. I have to be there at 7 o'clock. I can't hold myself. I can go now, but the reason I have to postpone it till 7 o'clock is because auspicious time. Mom and dad told me to go at 7 o'clock. 7:10 sharp, we have to move the bike as per that auspicious time. Obviously, we have to take a cab from here. Take a cab, go to the, this time we're not going to say go to the Triumph showroom. Now we have upgraded a little bit. I'm going to the BMW showroom, BMW Motorrad, Hyderabad. We're going to go there, pick up the new BMW GS, the King GSA 1250 and get it home. Are you ready for it? I know thoda overaction ho raha, but that's okay, dude. Come on, I'm buying one of my dream bikes. This is the dream bike. This is a dream bike for many. I'm very happy that this happened. And one more important announcement I wanted to do by the end of this vlog, so stay tuned, watch till the end, because I have a very big announcement to make. Very important. I don't know if it matters to you or not, but it is definitely very important for this channel. So let's go pick the bike and come back. Hopefully this compound is gonna have a new bike through that, exactly through that gate. The bike is gonna come and that's gonna be epic. Nishu, we're getting our bike. Nishu, we're getting the bike today. Any excitement? Are you excited? Slowly. Okay, one more important thing we have to do post-COVID. Actually, yesterday was my first day after a long time to go to the gym and I felt really weird working out post-COVID. I'll tell you why. Somehow my watch showed too many calories being burned. Watch is not accurate, I know that, but the difference is like too much. Hey. Usually when I do the same workout, it was my pull day yesterday. 1 hour of that kind of exercise, usually I burn somewhere around 600-700 calories. Yesterday I burned for the same amount of exercise 1,000 calories. 1,000 calories. How is that possible? I told my trainer, this is how it is. My watch is showing extra calories. He said, as long as you're not feeling breathless, no problem. You can go ahead. Chalo, abhi to let's check our oxygen level. Very important to do this. Actually, I'm pretty okay now. Negative report bhi aa gaya, but still, it's better to be safe. A good oxygen level is around 95 plus. Wait. Let me finish. Oh yeah, nice also checked it. See? Wait, let me do. Chalo, oximeter shows 96, which is good to go. You want to check? Come here. Nice, come here. Wait, you have to keep it for some time. Actually, she does it properly. She got somewhere around 99, which is again good. Chalo, abhi, let me book a cab. Get out, go get the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. It's not GSA. You have to call it GS Adventure. Okay. Yes. First time feeling a little bit weird solo. I'm taking the delivery solo. What to do? COVID times, special times. This is how it should be. There is a bike. There's not gonna be any hangama. Just gonna remove the cloth, take the bike, roll out. That's it. Luckily we have at least Maulet here and Kunal. All paperwork done. Kind of almost done. Abhi sneak peek and all, do you want all that? You guys have seen the unboxing, so anyway, let's do it just for the camera. Feels good. Actually it takes more time to sink in. Can't believe I'm taking this bike, dude. Nice. Satyam, Pooja is calling. Hello? Yeah, just now I reached. Okay, bye. So I thought I'll not be calling anyone. I was sitting here alone. Pura silent hai. And slowly I was checking my phone. And then I thought, who is there around in like 2 kilometer radius? One fellow is always there.
Hey, what's up guys? Kaise ho?
Mad. So I called him, I messaged him. I asked him, where are you? He said, office. I said, how much time will it take to come out? He said, 5 minutes. Pehle bol kya hai? I said, I'm taking the delivery. He's like, 2 minutes I'll be there.
2 minutes వచ్చారా?
2 minutes or 8 minutes lo vachavu. Anyway, I just called him because he's around.
పట్టుకుంటాను వెళ్ళు.
We had a delivery. Only 2 of us. One of the biggest bikes, one of the best bikes. The
With
king of
biggest
adventures. Biggest
friendship.
Finally we're taking the delivery after a lot of thinking, lot of money,
నేను
lot of investments,
నేను పక్కన ఉంటాను.
lot of dipping,
అంతా నీదేరా.
lot of dipping.
నాదేం లేదు. నాది ఓన్లీ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్.
బట్టలు ఇప్పి మరి డిప్ చేసిన సేవింగ్స్లోకి. టైగర్ అమ్మాలి.
ఏ అమ్మలేదా?
ఇంకా అమ్మలే కొంటావా? ఆఫర్ ఇస్ స్టిల్ ఓపెన్.
బాయ్.
चलो let's unveil the bike. Unveil हो गया. Let's dupatte remove and take it out. By the way, we have to take it quickly because curfew that 8 o'clock. Till 9 o'clock you can.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
First impressions, the moment I saw it, I felt it's a Dunapoth. Dunapoth in English time antarra? Buffalo. Especially from this angle. The other day when I unboxed it didn't look so huge because this was not there.
ఓ యా
No?
చూసినా
But after putting this, it looks huge.
అరే 3 feet ఉందిరా. టేప్ దేమంటే కారణం ఉంది టేప్.
Actually 3 feet. Not 3 feet, but hoga 1.5 feet. So one tip, if you have a small gate, don't take this bike.
Or break
First
the
you need to
gate.
break this part.
Or break the gate.
Or remove the engine. One thing I wanted to do, seat lowest height level TC. It's not that it's like really tall, but thing is, height is not an issue for me. Only thing is, this is the first time I want to ride it in the city, so I just want to be sure. I want to be more comfortable.
Holy.
Okay, first a roll off from the showroom BMW Hyderabad. Okay, I can't talk much this time. I'm like, I don't know what to say. A dream bike in my hands right now. Seriously, that's so true. People were telling me it doesn't feel huge when you're riding it, and I know that. But GSA is the first time I'm riding, and actually that is true. It doesn't feel like it's so huge. It's a 30 liter. Oh yes, we have 30 liter tank. I don't know how much fuel is left. It shows only 1 dot. So first thing I'll be doing is going to the fuel tank. Going to the fuel bunk and putting some fuel in it. Haha, nice and relaxed position. You want a review? I'll do it later. Abhi, I think directly I'll see you at home. Okay? And oh yes, by the way, we have curfew at 9 o'clock. We have to go home by 9. Right now time is 19:48, 7:48 PM. We got the 50 GSA home. Tell me, how is it? I want your reaction. Come here and tell.
It's huge, but it's nice.
That's the first dialogue I expected. Everyone is going to say it's huge.
It is huge.
Obviously, it is huge. It's the biggest
It
bike.
reminds me of Optimus Prime and Transformers.
That is one name I was thinking actually, but that's
Because
too.
even the colors are
A lot
like
of
that.
people name their bike
I love
Optimus Prime, so I don't want
No,
that.
don't name it that, but I'm saying it reminds me of that.
Yeah, the
because-
colors and all
because
that.
of the red, blue, and the white.
Yeah.
It's a lot like Prime, and Prime is amazing. I love Prime.
I also love Prime, but only thing is not
This
Amazon
was-
Prime, Optimus Prime, Transformers ka. Only thing is, a lot of people name the same thing for their bikes, Optimus
This
Prime.
wala.
Haan.
Okay.
So
then
I don't
we-
want to name that.
So there are a lot of Autobots.
You know how
we
do I
can
name my bikes when I'm riding it somewhere? I get that instantly.
No, so
Dark Horse, बोल के आ गया
we
उसको.
know a lot of Autobots. We'll name them one of the Autobots.
Let's see, it depends on the mood that time, how I feel while riding. A lot of things to talk about this bike. For now, let's do some official puja
Comfortable
vija.
for the pillion?
Oh yes, it is comfortable for
I don't
everyone.
know when I'll ever sit, but maybe.
Yeah, you will never sit, so it doesn't matter.
Shut up.
You're a car girl.
Nothing like that. I like bikes also.
Dad already sat on it and saw. He says it is too huge. He couldn't get onto the bike or get down on the bike. But there is a technique for all the adventure tourers. You have to first stand on this, on the foot pegs, and then sit on the bike. If you
Like a
directly
tri-
try to do it, any bike, any adventure tourer, if you try to sit directly from the ground, you'll never reach it. Especially this one. మీరు అసలు కనిపించలేదు బండి వెనకాల. One side he can't flat foot. I think I'm taller than Dad then, because I'm able to properly ride it without any problem.
My next
And when you
generation-
wear riding boots, you'll have at least 1 more inch. So I'm fine. Huh?
Whatever you
My
want.
next generation is 1 inch above me. Taller than me.
Now she's getting scared looking at the bike.
Cookie.
Wow, so
But you
beautiful.
owe
My
this-
first bike
you
was
owe this to
Chetak.
the tiger, okay?
I bought it from, what is that? Ram? What is that?
Ramkota.
Ramkot. Second
Bajaj
day,
Chetak.
first day I bought Ramkot. It was shining like this. Next day morning it didn't start.
Oh, don't say that. My bike should start tomorrow.
It is superb. So can I
The
get on?
tiger को भी
Yeah.
बताना. Don't forget the tiger.
I
My
should
bike.
get down
That's
like
my bike.
Yeah, stand like that and then get down. That's the way you get down of a adventure tour or sit.
Thank you. Congratulations.
పొద్దున్న
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
But I did not expect I'm gonna buy a BMW this soon. That doesn't mean we'll forget the
We both are here only loyalist. We're
the
natural
tiger,
loyalists.
the dark horse that has taken me everywhere on this planet. Not on the planet, in India.
You got the BMW इसकी वजह से.
Oh, definitely. This is the reason we got the BMW. This is the main reason.
And that's my bike and it's going soon. Don't go.
It'll go soon. See, it's been almost 20 days, 25,
days
30 days since I've opened the bike's cover.
I
So
should stop
recently I
using
opened the
my
cover so that I can start it. Street Twin is also there, dead. Street Twin is gonna stay. That is gonna stay for a couple of years or maybe permanent. Anyways, let's do some puja for the bike. Indian insurance, mandatory. We took BMW Pro insurance, but that doesn't work. We need Indian insurance. Nimbu. Chalo, let's Tokisify the Nimbus. So this has keyless entry.
What actually?
Keyless entry.
Oh,
Just
Turn
like
this.
Seltos.
You turn this.
Just like
You
Seltos.
have a key inside.
oh, nice.
And this is 80,000. Only the key.
Obviously, the bike is only so much.
The key is 80,000.
Mambo?
समझ में आया तुमको हंस रही हो?
So it starts with a button. Alright, Shara, then I'm gonna end the vlog here. Super duper next level happiness. The same amount of happiness I felt when I got the Tiger as well. Actually, this time it's much better because I'll tell you something. First time when I got the Tiger, I know for a fact that I've taken a little bit amount from my dad because the Bentley 600i, that was a gift to me. I bought that bike, then sold it. Usme jo paisa hai, that money I put it in the Tiger as well, a little bit, almost 6 lakhs. And Baki ka was my amount. But this particular bike, though it is like a crazy damn expensive bike, every rupee, every coin is from hard work. It's from doing the right investments, doing right things. Basically, let's forget about all that now. But yeah, I'm genuinely feeling more happy now because you understand that every rupee that I put is from my hard work. Khud ke paise se, when you take something, when you buy something, you definitely feel really happy. Thank you for all your blessings. Definitely without your love, without your unconditional love, trust me, it would be difficult. In the beginning of this vlog, I told you I wanted to make a special announcement. Now I've taken a BMW. All these years I've been riding, but I did a little bit of charity before. But now I'm taking a pledge. On the camera, I'm telling you. Why am I telling you this on the camera? It's not to boast myself and all that. I try to put all this on camera so that at least 100 people might get inspired. So what I'm gonna do is, for every kilometer I'm gonna do on the BMW, it's not gonna go just for my pleasure, your viewing pleasure, but for every kilometer I do on the BMW, from today, 10 rupees per kilometer will go towards charity. Now 10 rupees to start with, that's definitely gonna increase later, but for now, I'm gonna start it here. Maybe someday, if I have much more blessings from you, definitely I'll keep increasing it. Maybe someday we'll reach 100 rupees per kilometer and all that money is gonna go towards charity. I don't want to waste miles just like that roaming around, and you know that it's over now. I wanted to do something. This is definitely a very big achievement for me. I feel good about it and I wanted to share that goodness outside as well. Say I'm going to Bangalore and coming back. Say it's around 1000 kilometers. So 1000 into 10 rupees. It's gonna be 10,000 rupees of charity for Bangalore ride, example. So yes, that is what I wanted to convey on this video. Let's do it. Give me more and more support, and especially for this vlog, I think we should reach at least 20,000 likes. We'll try for that. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.